Hello students, in today's topic we are going to see about C++ expressions. What do you mean by an expressions? An expression is a combination of operator, constants and variable. It may consist of one or more operand and zero or more operators to produce a result. For example, A plus B minus C. In this example, A, B and C are operand, addition and subtraction symbols are operator. So every expression produces some value which is assigned to the variable with the help of an assignment operator. So this example clearly explain about the expressions, that is result equal to A plus B into C, where result is the variable, A, B and C are the operand, addition and multiplication symbols are operator. The expressions are consist of 8 types. They are special assignment, constant, integral, float, pointer, relational, logical and bitwise expressions. Let's see one by one. The first is constant expression. It consists of only the constant value. That is, a constant value is the one which does not change during the execution of program. For example, the value is 5 or it may be 10, 50, even we can have a single character. The next is integral expression. This expression produces the integer result after implementing all the type conversion. For example, x into y, where x and y are integer variable. Floating expression. This expression produces the floating point result after implementing all the type conversion. For example, x plus y, where x and y are the floating point variable. So suppose if you given the value x equal to 5 and y equal to 5.5, the output will be 10.5. So the result won't be rounded off, it will be in the decimal format. So it is called as a floating expression. The next, relational expression. This expression produces the result in true or false manner. That is, it will yield the result in Boolean format. For example, x is less than equal to y or x plus y is greater than equal to 2. The next is logical expression. It combines two or more relational expressions and produce a Boolean result. That is, two or more relation expressions are combined together in a single logical expressions. Example, x is greater than y and x is equal to 10. The next, pointer expression. It produces the address value. Basically, the pointer point out the location of that particular address. So this is the example. The next is bitwise expression. It is used to manipulate the data at bit level. Each and every bit level data has been calculated in this expression. They are basically used for testing or shifting the data bit to the left side position or to the right position. For example, x shift 3-bit position to the left and y shift 1-bit position to the right. The shift operator are often used for multiplication and division by powers of 2. So coming to the end of the session, some of the questions may be expected in 2 marks. That is, what is an expression, what is constant expression, what is logical expression, give some example, and The expected questions in 5 marks are give a brief note on different types of expressions with example. Thank you students. Thank you for watching.